Have you ever wondered how AI can actually learn from the images we give it? It works by spotting patterns, shapes, colors, and tiny details that help it tell the difference between a cat, a dog, or even a human face. And the fun part is, you can try the exact same thing in a super simple way using Google's Teachable Machine. Just a few clicks, and you're teaching AI yourself. For this tutorial, we're going to build an AI model that can distinguish between two different objects. Now, go to Google Teachable Machine. Open teachablemachine.withgoogle.com. Now choose Get Started. On this page, you can choose the type of the project you want to make. This website has some type of the project you could try. And now we would to try image project for the example. In this pages, you would have the environment of the teachable machine. There are some class you can added to compare each other as final result. Now on the first class, upload the images. You could choose the images from the file or from the Google Drive. Choose the file you want and click Upload. Remember, your teachable machine. AI is like a little kid learning to see. It only knows what you show it. So don't just snap random photos. Here are 3 simple tips for getting the best images. Use different angles. Don't just take pictures from the front. Get shots from the side, from above, and from below. This helps the I recognize your object, no matter how it sees it. Change the background. Don't take all your pictures in the same spot. Move to different rooms, go outside, or change the background. This is crucial so your AI learns to recognize your object, not the background behind it. Quantity matters. The more pictures you give it, the smarter your AI gets. So, try to get at least 30 to 50 pictures for each category. If you can get more, even better. And that's it. You've successfully built your first AI model. We'll be using this exact same process for our next class, so make sure you've got this down. Great job, and I'll see you then. All right, here we just upload the second class. But if you want to add more variable, just add new class. Here. Now we're at the most important part, training our AI. Click the Train Model button. Teachable Machine is now learning from all the images you gave it. This process will take a moment, so just hang tight. You might also see some advanced settings there. Epochs is how many times the AI reads all the images. Batch size is how many images it looks at once. And learning rate is how fast it learns. For most projects, you can just leave these as they are. Just a moment now, and your model will be ready to test. Training is complete. Now that your model is trained, it's time to test it out. Take a look at the preview panel on the right. Here we have webcam and file feature. We try the file feature now. Upload the images file for test. But if you doesn't have it, you can open Google and search for the picture you want. Download it and save with the JPG extension. Choose the file you've been downloaded. Now upload the images you want. Another feature is webcam. If you want to use this one, try to upload your image to as a class. It would distinguish between the things and people too. Now, point the object at the camera, and the camera will show you the percentage of similarity between the model and the object you're testing. And there you have it. You just created your very own AI model. How cool is that? Now, I challenge you to explore with other objects. Share in the comments what kind of AI model you were able to build. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more awesome tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.